Hi viewers, in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the important topics in human resource management, that is job evaluation. Everyone knows that job evaluation is one of the important operative functions of every organization done by the HR department. When you talk about job evaluation, it is one of the important process taken by the HR department to assess the candidates, right? To assess the candidates on their work done, especially when the candidate are selected by the HR department and is appointed in the respective department, right? And a certain task is given to him, whether he is doing that particular job in the right manner and is able to perform well. So it is one of the systematic process also taken by the HR department for evaluating whether the task given to the particular candidate or the employee is value or is it worth and it has an impact on the output. That is called job evaluation. And also another important thing is evaluation, not only that whether it is able to perform or not, whether it is suitable for them to reach the mission goals at the same time. The work done by the employee is the right work done by him according to the pay scale what he is getting. That means the responsibility given to him, the task given to him, right, he is worth to get that salary. That is also another important thing that will consider under the job evaluation. When you come to a process of job evaluation, how they will go from evaluation? First thing is whether there is a benefits or not. They will measure the gain of the particular task. Second thing is right the committee. There is a job evaluation committees where they need to delegate the particular responsibility task to the particular employee or to the particular team to know about how far they are doing a valuable job and task in the company, and also right finding the job to be evaluated, which kind of things has to be evaluated properly. It's not like all the kinds has to be evaluated. There are certain criteria HR department will follow to know about how the particular job has to be measured, and preparing for that kind of a job description so that it is easy for the HR department to felicitate and also to communicate what is the actual work should be done by the employee, and following a certain methods for assessing their job and classifying the job done by the different employees under the different level, and then adapting one common method to evaluate those jobs and doing that evaluation assessment on a periodical basis and finding out that what is the effort taken by the particular employee to do the particular work, and what kind of work is done by his employee is great and how far it is worth can able to measure through this reviewing periodical. So this is a process that will take place under the job evaluation. And these are the guidelines they will follow for evaluating the job given to the employee. So you have to rate the job, not the person, because person may be skilled, but the work what he has done may be not up to his skilled knowledge, right? He may do more than that, but giving the things to him is not to his up to the mark. So maybe rating according to the job only, and collect the informations, right, as accurate informations regarding the job from done by the every employee, and then especially focus on the characteristics of the job, what they are doing, how far it is related to them, and also make them to do this work in a systematic manner with the available resource and the exact information so that it is easy for them to find out the right assessment of the candidate of doing the job in the right manner. And when they are doing a job evaluations, you have various methods are there. There are four common methods. So the one is the ranking method. So here, as per the methods, the jobs which is given to the employees will be arranged right as per the highest to the lowest, or maybe vice versa, depend upon the organization decision. The job which is at the highest value and job which is the lowest value will indicate their responsibility, their task. The person who is getting doing this particular job is a very great and it's very important for organizations. It has to be uh, needed for organizations. The maximum 80 to 90% their job is very important. So see here, see if you take organization administrative level, accountant clerk, a purchase assistant, operator, typist, and office staff. So according to their level, the job will be given. This is a ranking method according to the designation. The second one is a classification method. Here, the job will be categorized, right, and will be assigned according to the people where they are designated. For example, all these works are comes under administrative, but under the administrative, you have a different level. You have executive, like a manager, where he has to monitor, supervise skilled workers, assistant, and then a semi-skilled worker, less skilled worker. So from the executives, the information will be passed to the skilled worker. The skilled workers has to give the instruction to the semi-skilled workers and less skilled workers where they have to monitor their work. So the job will be classified according to their categories or designation is the second method. Third one is a factor comparison method. Here, instead of using the rank right on completing the particular jobs or designation, right, they'll be using a different factors like how is this attitude towards a particular job and what is the effort is taken, both physically and mentally, and whether the job is given to his person, he is applying some sense of knowledge. Right? They'll be asking, apply some common sense and do this work. Whether he is applying that skills and knowledge and able to do it in a proper way, and under which condition he is doing it, all these things are the major factor comparison method. So they will be listing out various factors and will start evaluating the job with related to all these factors. And the last one is final method is called as a point factor method, where every job, every task given to every employee will have a key factor identification will be. Right, whether to fulfill this particular job, this is one of the key factor the employee has to complete first or should know about this. Based on this only, they can able to say that, okay, this person is able to do this particular work because he know what is the main part of this particular job, and based on this, we can able to go through it. So these are the four methods companies will follow to evaluate the job given to the every workers. Hope in this video you understood about the what I mean by job evaluation and its major guideline, and also the methodology followed by the companies to evaluate their job given to the employees. Right. Hope this video is helpful for you. In the next video, we will discuss about the another important topic in human resource management. Thank you.